I'm gonna show you how to add a signature to your AOL emails. First, go to Options. Under Options, you go down to Mail Settings. In the Mail Settings, you come back here to the left and hit Compose. Then you go down to where it says No Signature. Click that and put Use Signature and type in whatever signature you want, or you can put a picture, image, whatever you want. You can also add your website if you would like. And to get it to link to the website, you highlight it and then go over here to the right and hit the link button and type in the website you want it to link to. And hit OK. Once you do that, you go to the bottom and make sure you save your settings. Once you save your settings, we're going to go back to Mail. And we're going to compose an email. And as you can see, the signature is right there. So we're going to exit out of that and do it one more time. You go to Options, go to Mail Settings, go to Compose, Use Signature. We're going to turn it off. We don't want no signature. And save your changes. Go back to Mail, hit Compose. As you see, the signature is gone. I hope this video helped. Thank you.